New tonight, a ruling by a Columbia County Circuit judge gives a reprieve to 92 mobile homeowners at Christmas Mountain. The Sauk County Board of Adjustments revoked the permit for Christmas Mountain Campground in the summer of 2015.
An attorney representing those homeowners sued Sauk County seeking damages. Dave DeLozier has been following this case now for a year and a half, and he joins us now with the latest developments. Dave.
Yeah, Eric and Charlotte, you know, the ruling by the judge does not entirely determine the future for these homeowners. What it does do is it, according to the attorney representing the homeowners, is it puts the permit back in force for the campground. For the homeowners, this small victory is giving them hope.
We bought up here in 2003.
And for 13 years for Larry Richardson and his family, this has been a vacation home. They so enjoy the Christmas Mountain Campground that a visit here is cause for Larry and his calendar to take note.
I just thought it was kind of a neat record to keep, being it's a vacation home, and every year I write it down on the calendar, and we average probably about 120, 125 days a year.
16 months ago, though, it seemed their days here might be numbered when the Sauk County Board of Adjustments revoked the permit for the campground. They claim some residents were living here for more than the 8 months a year that is allowed. They also said some homeowners had put on additions, which the county said was a violation.
We've had 2 building permits. We've added onto our place here twice, had permits done by what was legal, and then they come back and say, well, you shouldn't have done this, you know.
You're just a ball of nerves again. Your stomach's upset.
Kathy and Jim Kahn have owned their home for going on 23 years. For 16 months, they all share the same concerns.
I was concerned that we might lose our place up here.
Those concerns were eased a bit last week when a Columbia County Circuit Court judge ruled in favor of the homeowners. The judge ruled that the county had violated the homeowners' rights to due process by failing to send meeting notices to individual association members. The homeowners hope this small victory will lead to a solution that will allow them to stay.
But I hope it can be settled, and we can continue to live up here and enjoy it.
Now we have contacted the Sauk County Corporation Council for comment, and so far they have not responded to our request. The attorney for the homeowners says this is a significant ruling by the judge because it recognizes the timeshare owners have rights in determining what happens to the property that they own. And Eric and Charlotte, up next is going to be a status conference for this, and of course we're going to continue to follow this case.
All right.
Thank you, Dave.
You bet.